Good morning students, welcome to the SST class. Now we see the book reading in Geography Unit 1, the Universe and Solar System. Learning objectives: to know about the formation of the universe. Second point, to differentiate between the members of the solar system. Third point, to understand the motions of the earth and its effects. Fourth point, to learn about the different spheres of the earth and their interaction with each other. Pathway. This lesson focuses on the universe and the members of the solar system. It also deals with the motions of the earth and their resultant effect. It also talks about the four spheres of the earth. Teacher. Students, do you all know where you reside? Students. Yes, teacher. Teacher. Inia, do you know your address? Can you tell me your full address? Inia. Yes, teacher. My address is Inia, 24 Bharatiyar Street, Thirunagar, Madurai, 625006. Teacher. Good, Inia. Where is Thirunagar? Inia. Thirunagar is in Madurai. Teacher. Children, tell me where Madurai is. Students. It is in Tamil Nadu. Teacher. Good. Where is Tamil Nadu? Students. In India, teacher. Teacher. Now tell me where India is. Students. India is in the continent of Asia, teacher. Teacher. Excellent. Can anyone tell me where is the continent of Asia? Students. Yes, teacher. It is on the earth. Teacher. Okay, children. Tell me where the earth is located. Students. Remain silent, and after sometimes they reply in chorus, no, we don't know. Teacher. Now let me explain. The earth is the third planet in the solar system. The solar system is in the galaxy. It is named as the Milky Way galaxy. There are millions of such galaxies in the universe. Inia. Teacher, shall I say the address of our earth? Teacher. Address of our earth? It's interesting, Inia. Tell us the address. Inia. Miss Earth, number 3 solar system, Milky Way galaxy, universe. Teacher. That was very good, Inia. Now let us know about the solar system, galaxy, the universe and all other bodies detailed in this lesson. Numerous stars and celestial bodies came into existence by a massive explosion called Big Bang. These celestial bodies together called the universe. It is also referred to as the cosmos. The stars that you see are so far away that they appear to be small, but they are really huge in size. The study of universe is called cosmology. The term cosmos is derived from the Greek word cosmos. Universe. The universe is a vast expanse of space. Most astronomers believe that the universe came into existence after the Big Bang explosion that took place about 15 billion years ago. The universe consists of billions of galaxies, stars, planets, comets, asteroids, meteorites, and natural satellites. These are collectively called as celestial bodies, which are located far away from each other. A light year is the unit used to measure the distance between the celestial bodies. Galaxy. It is a huge cluster of stars which are held together by gravitational force. Most of the galaxies are scattered in the space, but some remain in groups. Hierarchies of the universe. Universe, galaxy, solar system, planets, satellites. Do you know a light year is the distance traversed by light in a year at a velocity of 3 lakhs km per second. Sound travels at a speed of 330 meter per second. The Milky Way galaxy was formed about 5 billion years after the Big Bang explosion. Our solar system is a part of Milky Way galaxy. Andromeda galaxy is the nearest to the Earth part apart from the Magellanic Clouds galaxy. The solar system. The word solar is derived from the Roman word sol, which means sun god. The solar system is believed to have formed about 4.5 billion years ago. The solar system is a gravitational bound system which comprises of the sun, the 8 planets, dwarf planets, satellites, comets, asteroids and meteorites. And next, the sun. The sun is the center of the solar system. Each member of the solar system revolves around the sun. The sun is so huge that it accounts for 99.8% of the entire mass of the solar system. The sun is made up of extremely hot gases like hydrogen and helium. The sun is a star. It is self-luminous, so it gives light on its own. The surface temperature of the sun is about 6000 degrees Celsius. It is the source of the light and heat energy to the entire solar system. Sunlight takes about 8.3 minutes to reach the earth. Do you know 1.3 million earth fit inside the sun? Imagine how big the sun is. Planets. Planets. The word planets means wanderer. There are 8 planets in the solar system. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. All the planets rotate anti-clockwise from west to east on their own axis except Venus and Uranus. The elliptical part in which the planets move around the sun is known as orbit. The 8 planets revolve in their respective orbits because of the gravitational pull of the sun. They do not move out of their path or away from the solar system. The 4 planets nearer to the sun are called inner or terrestrial planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. The inner planets are comparatively smaller in size and are composed of rocks. The surface of the inner planets has mountains, volcanoes and craters. The last 4 planets are called as outer planets or Jovian planets: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. They are also called gaseous giants. An asteroid belt is found between Mars and Jupiter. Mnemonic to remember the order of planets. My very educated mother just showed us Neptune. Mercury, the nearest planet. Mercury is the smallest and closest planet to the sun. It is named after the Roman deity Mercury, the messenger to the gods. It is an airless and waterless planet. It does not have an atmosphere and so experiences extreme of temperature. It has no natural satellites. Mercury can be viewed in the morning and evening with naked eyes. Next, Venus, the hottest planet. Venus is the second planet from the sun. It is called Earth's twin as it is almost the same size as the Earth. It has the longest rotation period, 243 days, among the planets in the solar system. It rotates in the opposite direction to all other planets except Uranus. It has no natural satellites like Mercury. It is named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty. It is often visible in the mornings and the evenings, and so it is frequently called as the morning star and the evening star. After the moon, it is the brightest natural object in the night sky. Students, take your material page number 141. See the first Roman, answer in 1 or 2 sentences. See the first question, name the inner planets. Once again listen, name the inner planets. The inner planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. Once again listen. The inner planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. And next question, see the third question. What is perihelion? Once again listen. What is perihelion? Perihelion is the Earth's closest position to the Sun. Once again listen. Perihelion is the Earth's closest position to the Sun. And next, see the third Roman. Third Roman, first question. Answer in detail. Distinguish between inner and outer planets. Inner planets. Inner planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. Outer planet. Outer planets are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Inner planets. They are comparatively smaller in size. Outer planet. They are huge in size. Inner planet. They are composed of rocks. The surface of the inner planets has mountain, volcanoes and craters. Outer planets. Most of them are made of gas. Inner planets. None of the inner planets have rings orbiting them. Outer planets. All of the outer planets have ringing orbit them. Once again listen. Inner planet. Inner planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. Outer planet. Outer planets are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Inner planet. They are comparatively smaller in size. Outer planet. They are huge in size. Next, inner planet. They are composed of rocks. The surface of the inner planets has mountain, volcanoes and craters. Outer planet. Most of them are made of gas. Next point. None of the inner planets have ring orbiting them. Outer planet. All of the outer planets have rings orbiting them. Thank you, students.